Today we're going to talk about the benefits, the uses, and the side effects of broccoli sprouts. So when you think of superfoods, broccoli is often at the top of the list. But have you ever heard of broccoli sprout microgreens? These tiny, beautiful greens pack a nutritional punch that surpasses their fully grown counterparts. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds, broccoli sprout microgreens have gained popularity as a potent addition to a healthy diet. In this video, I'm going to explore with you the benefits, the uses, and the potential side effects of broccoli sprout microgreens. So the benefits of broccoli sprout microgreens, first of all, their high nutritional value. Broccoli sprout microgreens are known for their excellent nutrient content. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Also, they contain phytochemicals like sulforaphane, glucosinoids, and antioxidants that contribute to their health benefits. Benefit number 2 is antioxidant powerhouse. Antioxidants play an important crucial role in protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Broccoli sprouts are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. Regular consumption of these microgreens may help reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and age-related conditions. Benefit number 3 is cancer-fighting properties. Now, one of the key bioactive compounds found in broccoli sprouts microgreens is sulforaphane, which is a compound that has been extensively studied for its potential anti-cancer effects. So this compound activates enzymes that aid in detoxification, that aid in elimination of carcinogens, reduce inflammation, and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that consuming sulforaphane-rich foods like broccoli sprout microgreens may have a protective effect against certain types of cancer. Benefit number 4 is for the heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being. Broccoli sprout microgreens, they contain compounds that support healthy heart. Sulforaphane may help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of LDL bad cholesterol, which is a major contribution to heart disease. The high fiber content of microgreens also helps to lower blood pressure and promote healthy cardiovascular function. Benefit number 5 is for detoxification and liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in the detoxification process, breaking down toxins, metabolizing drugs as well. The compounds found in broccoli sprout microgreens, what they do is they support liver health. They enhance the detoxification pathways, and studies suggest that the compounds do activate liver enzymes that assist in the elimination of harmful substances and promote overall detoxification and liver health as well. So how can you use these beautiful, lovely broccoli sprout microgreens? First of all, as culinary delights. Broccoli sprouts do have a mild, slightly peppery flavor that adds a delightful crunch and freshness to various dishes. So use them as a garnish for soups, salads, and sandwiches, or blend them into smoothies for an added nutritional boost. The possibilities are endless. Second way to use them is as juicing. Broccoli sprout microgreens can be juiced to create a concentrated shot of nutrients. Combine them with other vegetable and fruit for a vibrant, healthy green juice that nourishes your body from within. The third way to use them is a sandwich filling or a wrap as well. So include broccoli sprout microgreens as a nutritious and flavorful addition to your sandwiches and to your wraps. Their vibrant color and their unique taste will really help to elevate the overall taste and nutritional value of your meal. So is there any side effects when it comes to using broccoli sprouts? First of all, allergic reactions. While they are rare, some people may be allergic to broccoli sprouts. If you have a known allergy to cruciferous vegetables or broccoli, it is advised to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating broccoli sprouts into your diet. The second Side effect is interactions and underlying health conditions. So first of all, if you have any underlying health condition, if you do take medication, it's recommended to consult with your healthcare professional before consuming large quantities of broccoli sprout microgreens, because they may interact with certain medication. They may also interact with your medical condition as well. Number 3 is quality and safety. So as with any food, it is essential to ensure the quality and the safety of broccoli sprout microgreens. If you want to buy them from the store, buy them only from reputable sources. You could also consider growing your own, as I've done so here as well, and that way you'll have better control over the growing conditions and minimize the risk of contamination as well. And I've included a link to a video that I made that shows you how to plant broccoli sprouts at home. They'll be ready to harvest in a maximum of 3 weeks. So broccoli sprout microgreens, they're a nutritional powerhouse. They offer a wide variety of health benefits, from their high nutrient content to their potential cancer fighting properties and the support for the heart and the liver health. These tiny greens, they deserve a place on our plate. Whether you enjoy them as a garnish, in juices, or incorporate them into your favorite dishes, broccoli sprouts can have a flavorful and nutritious addition to your diet. But please remember to consider if you have any allergies or health conditions, and always consult with your healthcare professional if needed. So embrace the benefits of the vibrant greens and savor the goodness they bring to your overall well-being. And if you enjoyed today's content, subscribe to the channel, like the video, click on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.